Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our comparison video of peppermint oil versus spearmint oil. Watch till the end to find out which is the best choice for you. So the main difference between peppermint oil and spearmint oil is efficiency. Peppermint oil has a significantly higher menthol content, 40% or more, making its scent more pungent and efficient in repelling insects. The problem with spearmint oil is that its menthol content is only about 0.5% and contains more of carvone, which is less strong. Since spearmint oil has lower menthol content, it is less efficient in making bugs uncomfortable and keeping them away. Therefore, peppermint oil is the better choice since it is more efficient. Cleaning solution. Generally, peppermint oil is more suitable as a cleaning solution for mopping floors or surfaces. Its higher menthol content leaves a refreshing, more pungent scent, which is more effective in repelling bugs. Spearmint oil has a less pungent scent when used as a cleaning solution. Therefore, peppermint oil wins in this category since it is more suitable for use as a cleaning solution. Lasting effect. Peppermint oil has a longer lasting smell, which is why it is more effective in keeping bugs away. The long-lasting smell of peppermint is attributed to its higher menthol content. On the other hand, spearmint oil smell is not as long-lasting because it has significantly lower menthol content. Therefore, peppermint oil is the better choice in this category since its effect is long-lasting. Safety. Spearmint oil has a lower menthol content, which makes it safer and gentler on the skin. On the other hand, peppermint oil has a significant menthol content. If contact occurs during its application, this often leads to skin irritation, especially among children. Therefore, spearmint oil wins in this category since it is much gentler to the skin. From the table, you can tell that peppermint oil is better for keeping bugs away since it is more pungent. On the other hand, although spearmint oil is a less pungent version, its carvone compound stays active longer in the air. It is also clear that peppermint oil stays more active for longer in water than spearmint oil. Similarities. Peppermint and spearmint oils are similar in that they contain natural chemical ingredients that can help repel bugs. The ingredients work as natural neurotoxins for some bugs or insects, overwhelming their senses and creating an unfavorable environment. Verdict. So, which one is better? Though peppermint oil is irritable on the skin, it is better than spearmint oil due to its highly pungent scent. Peppermint oil may not stay active longer in the air, but it can really help you keep bugs away. So if you want to completely eliminate bugs from your premises, consider peppermint oil. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.